Working from home with kids around can be a battle more than a shift, and we're here to make it easy for you. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. When deadlines are looming and little voices are calling for attention, the right activities can be a lifesaver. The trick is keeping kids busy, happy, and learning. And here's how you do it. Make recycling fun by letting your child build cute animals using egg cartons and cardboard. Add a little paint, turn them into creatures straight from their imagination. For smaller kids, roll out butcher paper and trace your child's body to create a life-size self-portrait they can decorate using a nearby mirror. And kids who love experimenting will love sculpting with plaster fabric. Balloons become bowls, cardboard turns into masks, and markers add color to everything. Our time gets even more exciting with a watercolor transfer trick. Just color the foil with washable markers, dip it with water, then press paper on top to reveal a surprise masterpiece. For builders, raid the recycling bin and let them design a dream playground for toys using tape, sticks, corks, and string. Hidden messages also add mystery. Write with white crayon, paint over it, and watch secret codes appear and act like a spy. And the best of all are the pretend games. Airports, restaurants, space missions, hospitals, or royal ceremonies can keep kids absorbed for ages. Even recreating a movie scene turns into a full performance. And when it's bath time, shaving cream in the bathtub is the key. Plus, sorting buttons in a muffin tin or digging through a bin of dried beans with scoops and toys can calm busy hands for a long time. These activities won't just buy you some time to work, but also keep your children busy and smiling while you do it. Which activities seem the most fun to you? Let us know in the comments. Like and share the video. Subscribe to GadInsider and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. OpenAI just took a major step towards making AI not just smarter, but safer, especially when it comes to teens. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. From next month, parents will be able to link their accounts to their kids who are aged over 13 ChatGPT profiles, giving them new tools to guide how the chatbot is used. These controls include keeping memory and chat history, filtering responses based on age-appropriate guidelines, and the best part, parents will get real-time alerts if the AI detects messages that suggest depression, self-harm, or other emotional stress. It's a striking move that accepts something OpenAI has largely tiptoed around until now, that teens are using ChatGPT as their virtual bestie while sharing things they wouldn't tell anyone else. Parents won't see every conversation though. These alerts can read the difference between a private spiral and a life threat. This feature is part of OpenAI's plan where users can have emotionally sensitive conversations like those about suicide or mental health crises with ChatGPT, and it'll guide you to a wellness expert while staying within strict guidelines. It's a turning point in AI design, not just about minimizing harm after something goes wrong, but stepping in before it does. And yes, it may feel awkward, maybe even intrusive, but if an alert prompts a parent to check in at just the right moment, it can make all the difference. AI isn't a therapist, it's not a parent, but it might just help in reducing the gap between someone in pain and someone who cares. Do you think this feature was needed? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news. Hey parents and tech fans! Google's rolling out a groundbreaking age detection tool to keep kids safer online. Is this the future of child protection? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this game-changing update. Google announced a new AI-powered age assurance tool for the US designed to spot underage users and activate kid-friendly settings. No more relying on birth dates. This tool's smart and proactive. Want to know how it works? Keep watching. Google's age assurance tool uses machine learning to analyze signals like search queries and YouTube video categories to estimate if a user's under 18. If detected, Google sends a notification via email and during product use, automatically enabling age-appropriate settings. It's rolling out to a small US group in weeks. Once a minor is detected, Google activates features like YouTube's digital well-being tools, including break reminders, bedtime nudges, and limits on repetitive content. It also tailors content recommendations to keep things kid safe, ensuring a healthier online experience without stifling fun. This tool strengthens Google's commitment to child safety, moving beyond manual age checks to smart AI detection. By protecting young users on YouTube and other Google products, it could set a new standard for online safety. Is this a win for parents and kids alike? Google's age detection tool hits the US soon, starting with a small group. Get ready for safer browsing for your kids. What's your take on this AI safety move? Drop it below. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Google Wallet's Tap to Pay feature likely to be available for kids by 2025. Google Wallet is adding the ability to allow kids with Android phones to make payments through its Tap to Pay feature by next year, as per reports. This development comes as a bid to keep pace with competitors against rivals like Apple, which allows kids to use Apple Pay through its Apple Cash family for in-store purchases as well as online payments. Citing sources, it's reported that the feature will be available to kids, allowing them to make contactless payments straight from their Android phones. It'll start rolling out to Google Wallet users in the US and other select regions as early as 2025. Once rolled out, kids can make tap-to-pay purchases via standard authentication options such as fingerprint, facial recognition, PIN, or passwords. While the feature will also allow kids to store gift cards or event tickets, they won't be able to make online purchases or save help and identification cards. To ensure safe and responsible usage, parents can supervise card additions and removals and also monitor their kids' transaction history. Parents can also supervise their children's accounts through the Google Family Link app launched back in 2022, which allows parents to impose restrictions on content and screen usage. Top 3 tablets for kids at affordable prices in 2024. Are you looking for a great tablet for kids with compelling features that are durable and user-friendly? Finding the best tablet can be challenging, but there's no need to worry. GadInsider has compiled a list of exceptional tablets with decent screen quality at affordable prices. Here are the best tablets for kids to buy in 2024 at reasonable rates. Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro. The Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro is the best tablet for kids aged 6 to 12 due to its flexibility and compelling features. The camera offers 5 megapixel rear and 2 megapixel front. The display is a 10.1-inch 1920 by 1200 pixels. The storage comprises of 32 GB. It offers one USB-C port, headphone jack, and micro SD. It also has a 1-year Amazon Kids Plus subscription. Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids. The Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids is another excellent tablet for kids aged 3 to 7, offering several intriguing features. The specifications consist of a camera of 5MP rear and 2MP front, display of 10.1-inch 1920 by 1200 pixels, storage of 32 GB, one USB-C port and headphone jack port, and a 2-year warranty. Apple iPad 2022. The 2022 Apple iPad is highly recommended for kids due to its striking features. These comprise of a 12MP rear and 12MP front camera, a 10.9-inch display, 64 GB and 256 GB storage variants, and a USB-C port.